my name is Jess, and if you are new to my channel, I make very fun, helpful, and creative videos for anyone and everyone with naturally curly hair. So right here, right now, you guys are about to watch me follow Mini Marley's twist out tutorial. Let me tell you, these results are so bomb that I decided not to even put out my usual intros where I like give you a preview of the hairstyles. No, you guys are literally gonna have to watch this whole video and wait till the end to see these results. This is by far my best twist out ever, for sure. So thank you, Mini Marley girl. I'm not taking credit for this video idea at all. Whoa, the sun is like, whew. Okay, Chizi Duru, I believe that's how you say her name. She's been killing it on these I follow different naturalistas hair tutorials. So thanks girl for the labs and everything. I love all of those videos. I just got inspired to try it out myself. So if you guys are ready to see how Mini Marley hooked the sister up. Oh, by the way, these results right here that you're seeing is the stretched out version to the twist out. So if you would like to see that, give this video a thumbs up and I will show you guys how I stretch my hair out and all that good stuff. But let's go because I know you guys are excited. Let's just go. Time to get this started. I gotta fix my bra keeps showing. I'm about to watch the beautiful Mini Marley's video right now. I'm so excited. Look, here she is. This is so weird for me to do. You know what, we're just gonna play. Let's just play the video.
So these are my results and I'm absolutely in love with it, and if you want to see what I did to get this twist out, then keep watching this tutorial.
Okay, I will.
Okay, so I just want to show you guys exactly what products I've been using to do this twist out, and it starts with my all-time favorite go-to product that I always recommend when you guys ask me what products you should try, and it's the SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie.
This is like my all-time favorite as well, but sad to say that I'm all out. So I just decided to grab this called the Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Transitioning Milk. It's my first time using it. I've heard a few things about it, so hopefully it turns out just about the same.
And then I add in oil or some kind of thick product that's gonna really moisturize my hair. And lately I've either been using castor oil or this, and this is the Jane Carter Solution Nourish and Shine.
Well, I have to admit, obviously, I don't have all the exact products that she has, but I mean, I didn't really want to do that because it's like typically when you're watching a tutorial, you may not have the exact hair products, and I wanted you guys to see how it can work on, like, you know, similar products. She said oil or some kind of thick moisturizing product. Plain, come on now, really? So I'm hoping this works out. This is the SheaMoisture 100% pure argan oil. She said she'll use an oil or a cream. So usually I would use like a twisting cream, but I'm not too sure. I don't know what I should do. I wish I could ask you guys. I wish I could ask her. Maybe I'm just going to use an oil. So I'm just going to use this. And then I'm going to use the oil because she said or. And I don't want to put too many products in my hair because I'm trying to, you know, do it as closely as to how she's doing it. So hopefully that works.
The thing that I add is the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel.
Now you're talking, honey. See, I got a whole big bottle of that. That is my stuff.
I basically use my EcoStyle gel to lay my edges, because, come on. Do you see the layers?
I see it, girl. I see it.
So, again, you will see me do all of these steps in this tutorial. So, let's just get on into it. So I am going to start by parting off all the sections in my hair. I like to do this so that I don't have a line down the middle and the back when I'm done.
Why am I even parting it on this side? I don't even part my hair. What am I doing? I'm gonna just start on this side. My hair's not even wet because I washed it a while ago and then I did my makeup. So I'll just have to re-wet it. Finally finished. That took longer than you guys will ever know. Alright, so she has a Denman brush, but I don't have one yet, and I've been seeing them around, and I'm just like, oh, they're all hype. But I'm actually considering getting one. We'll see. But if I do get one, let me know in the comments down below if you would want me to do like a review on it and show you a before and after.
Well, now that everything's all sectioned off, I'm gonna start with my first twist. And as you can see, I pretty much do medium-sized twists. I don't like them too small or too chunky. And as you can see, I just added a little bit of that ultra defining gel to this section, and I went ahead and started twisting it up. By the time you get to the front, your hair is really...
Hey, wait, what was that thing that she just did? This, she was like, oh, okay. Oh, hey. He got a twist, y'all. Hey. Twist one. About 52 more to go.
dry, but this method of applying the products to the sections before you start twisting really just helps you avoid that. So as you can see for this back section, I felt like that twist needed a little bit more moisture, so I just added a little bit of the SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, added my gel, and now I'm twisting it up. So basically you can just go ahead and add moisture wherever you feel like your hair is dry, but other than that, just add a teeny bit of that gel, go ahead and, detangle it with your Denman brush and then twist. So when I get to the end of my hair, I just like to coil it around my finger, and then I coil the twist at the base and pull off the extra product. I'll show you that better later on in the video, but this is the back of my hair.
Okay. So you just go finish without me? You just go do the whole back section without me? But she finger coils the ends, and then that's the thing she does, so she pulls the extra. So I guess I gotta play catch up with her because she just decided she was just going up and just finish the whole back without me. I mean, I thought we were in this together, but clearly no. I'm just kidding. I understand that this video will be like literally 50 minutes long if that's the case.
So I'm just twisting up this section now in the front at the top, and basically pull down the twist and make sure that there's no extra product in it, because as you can see, I'm just really generous with products, so I like to get the extra out so that it can dry quicker. And repeat these same exact steps throughout the rest of my hair. And looking good, and I'm just gonna go to bed and wake up in the morning for the takedown.
Good morning!
So it's the next morning, my twists are completely dry.
Me too, girl. Seriously, they're like really dry, which is weird because my hair usually takes a long time to dry. But I think when she did the wringing out, like she took all the product out of her hair, the extra product, that actually really helped.
And the first thing that I'm going to do is use that Design Essentials Coconut and Manoi Serum Oil type thing and put that all over my hair just for some added shine.
Okay, so we're going to go in with our Argan oil. Did that do something? I feel like my hair's a little shiny. Let's bring you guys in. You guys seem a little far. Let's bring you closer to me. Come in. Don't bite.
Which you guys ask me all the time. My hair tends to be...
Oh, she's already untwisted. Dang, girl. She's like always going without me.
And as you can see, I'm just separating my hair where it naturally separates, curling it around my finger to get...
Oh my, okay. Okay. Listen, she's already starting to unravel her twist. Whoa, look at that definition.
To get rid of any frizz. So let's move to the front where it's a little bit easier to see. I'm just again separating my curls where they naturally feel like they want to come apart. And then I just like to curl each individual curl around my finger in case there's any frizz. That just basically helps you curl it right back up and get rid of that frizz immediately, which is how I get this nice, really defined look. So this is what those curls look like up close. And as you can see, I really do separate a lot, so my curls are pretty small.
Okay. We gotta catch up with her because I'm super behind. Alright, so time to take my scarf off. The moment that I've been waiting for, and maybe you all have been waiting for as well. Okay.